Are you looking for the best dumpster rental in Aurora, Colorado? ASL Dumpsters LLC is the premier choice, serving residential and commercial needs with unparalleled expertise and dedication. With a commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction, ASL Dumpsters LLC offers a diverse range of dumpster sizes to accommodate any project, big or small. Our residential dumpster rentals make handling cleanouts, remodels, and yard waste removal easy. We offer reliable and durable dumpsters for contractors to keep your job site clean and productive. Business owners can benefit from our commercial dumpster rentals by maintaining a tidy and efficient workspace. Our professional team at ASL Dumpsters LLC ensures prompt delivery and pickup services, ensuring your waste disposal needs are met efficiently and reliably. We offer flexible rental periods to accommodate any project timeline, ensuring you have the time to complete your work without rushing. Choose ASL Dumpsters LLC for reliable, efficient, and eco-friendly dumpster rental services. Visit our website at www.asldumpster.com dumpster rental Aurora CO or call 303-981-2288 to learn more and schedule your dumpster rental today. ASL Dumpsters LLC, your trusted partner for efficient and reliable dumpster rental in Aurora, Colorado.